Hello gang, welcome to the new video. So today is problem number 10, Python program to check if a number is positive or negative or 0. At first, we will take the number as input and num equal to, we will use float for more range of numbers. Float input, enter the number. After that, what we will use if else statement to check whether the number. At first we will check whether the number is negative. If num is 0 less than 0, then what we will do, we will print num is less than 0. Num is less than 0, and we will use elif next. If num equals to 0, then we will print number equals to 0, and we will use else statement. If the two of these conditions are false, then for sure the number is positive. Print, and we will use f string, number is greater than 0. This is the code. Just run it. Python problem number 10.py. So let's say I'm giving number to be 25. 25 point is greater than 0. Then let us say I give number is 0. The number 0.00 equal to 0. Then what we will do, we will say, let us say minus 96. The number 96 is less than 0. This is the code is working perfectly. This is our problem number 10. Now let's solve our problem number 11. So what is problem number 11? Problem number 11 is Python program to check if a number is even or odd. To understand this program, at first we need to understand the modulus operator. So what is modulus operator? Let us say if I am dividing 5 by 2, we will get answer equal to 2.5, right? So what modulus operator does is, if I divide 5 by 2, instead of divide we will use modulus, then I'll get 0.5, the remainder, where if I get, so all even numbers, so we will use this analogy. So all even numbers are divisible by 2, or all even numbers are divisible by 2 and all odd numbers are not divisible by 2. So if we divide any number with 2, the output should be 0, right? There should be no remainder, right? So that is the logic we are going to use. At first we will take the number num equal to float of input, and we will ask the user to enter the number. Then what we will do, we will use else if statement. At first we will check if number percentile 2 equal to 0. So the modulus operator of 2, when number is divided by 2, it should equal to 0. Then we will use print, we will use f string, number is an even number. We will use else if this condition is not true, then the number should be odd number, right? F number is odd. So let's check this code. Python problem number 11.py, right? So let us say number is 56. 56 is an even number. So let us say number is 89. 89 is an odd number, right? 89 is an odd number. This is the code. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like my content, please make sure to subscribe.